Hey, what's up everybody? Gonna go through a quick demo here of a program that can convert Wiimote, PS3 data, or even yourself to MIDI data. So first things first is we're gonna go and download the program. It's called Junction. So if you go to the URL here, you can scroll down and download the demo right here. Once you have it installed, go ahead and launch it. What I'm going to run through is how to control yourself, not a controller. We'll do that another time. But so first things first is under Edit, adjust the video input. I'm using an external webcam, but you can use a built-in iSight should you wish. Once you've selected that, under the inputs, HI is for your controllers. Go to Video Events and double-click on Object 1. It'll bring up this window here. And then from here, we can choose what we're going to control it with. So I'm actually going to use a flashlight to use as my controller. And I'm going to go to the color table here and tag a color. I'm going to go ahead and tag the white of the flashlight. You can see it's been kind of highlighted here now. You can also go up to the threshold and adjust that to the point where it only displays the object that you've tagged in the color table. Next, we're going under the objects here. You can see the X position now reflects what's on screen, 0 to 127 left, right, Y position vertical, and your width and height is actually the depth, so it is kind of three-dimensional. What we're going to do is drop the X position, center, and the Y position into the sensor bar here, and you can kind of leave the settings here for the time being. Next, click on the Action tab. First, our X position, you can see here, we're going to use to control a note number. Now, it's important to have the data calibrated switch enabled for all of your inputs for the time being. We're going to skip all of this section for the time being and just get you up and running. What we're doing to the X position is going to make it a note event. And the next important thing is not fixed value, but a variable data. So now you can see that it is still reflecting what we're seeing on screen, and what we're going to do is only send changes. On our Y position, we can associate that to a pitch bend, what we're going to do is you can also do the same for the width and the height. CC event, how about a variable, and same with this one here, but we'll change the channel of what it's on. And from here, you're pretty much good to go for the time being in here. Then go ahead and launch a MIDI application. I'm going to do something standalone here. How about massive? So once your MIDI application is loaded, what you need to do is go into the MIDI section and make sure that Junction is sending information to it. So under the MIDI tab, scroll down until you see the Junction port 1. Make sure that it's activated. It's what we're sending out over here. So once you've done that, we're pretty much good to go. Go ahead and choose a couple of presets or something here, whatever, and you can bring up the window here to again see what's happening. So for the time being, here we go. There you have it. So play away, choose your presets, and have a blast.